Hi, I'm Kathy, the owner and designer at My Greatest Joy Designs. Today we're going to be talking about my SweetPees cloth diapers. Every diaper comes with a free $8 value Zorb pre-fold, and what makes it so incredible, besides the fact that it's the Zorb 2 material, is it has a double thickness in the center, and how you fold it will help you concentrate the absorption where you want it. For little girls, you fold it into thirds down the center so that when they pee, all the thickness is right here. For little boys, you fold down the top and then you fold it into thirds, and now you have the thickness in the front right where their concentration is needed. Okay, now one of the other things that makes these diapers incredible is the fact that it's the Eco Pull waterproof and breathable material. Not only are they adorable, the different prints, but you also have, the fact that it's made with no solvents, and it does not have a negative impact on our environment when they're manufacturing it. You have on the inside, you have reinforcement on all of the snaps. So as you're pulling, opening, and closing, you have a much longer life. Also, because you want to have softness around the legs, we have micro fleece on the inside of the legs that will also help keep them comfortable. And this is a one size for their entire time of wearing diapers, because you have a three-way of making it. You have your top two rows that are for adjusting on the waist, and then you have these 3 rows down here of 3. What that's going to do is that adjusts to make it smaller. To make it the smallest, you want to go from the bottom up to the top, and that would be for infants, newborns. I mean, maybe not the first couple of weeks from the bringing the baby home. And then here you go, you can see it's much smaller. And then you have the next level would be from the middle to the top, and that makes it a little bit longer. And then you adjust it to the waist. I hope you could see that. And then, of course, opening it all the way up, you have it for when they're bigger. Now, the other thing that makes my SweetPees different from others is every baby is unique. Some babies have adorably super cute pudgy legs. In that case, you want to have this really large. Well, what if you have a sweet, like my granddaughter, she has teeny tiny legs. Well, what you can do with SweetPees is I have adjustable elastic, and you can see right here, it's not difficult to adjust. You can see the little hook there. You just pull it off and then make it a little bit tighter, and as you can see, there's little notches, and you adjust it to how you want it. You slip it on there, and what I do is you want it to nestle right inside here. So I twist it and then twist it in the other direction, and it just tucks it right in so it won't come out. And then, of course, you have the fleece to go over it to kind of keep it from flapping all over when you're washing. Okay, so that is what makes SweetPees different. The other thing in regards to the adjustable, it is a lifetime warranty. So when the elastic finally has had enough, what you can do is the invoice that you get when you buy it, here is my address. You can send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, and I will send you new elastics. Or you can up it here under my name. There's my address on Etsy, and you can just contact me there and tell me that you need how many elastics you need if you want to replace the small of the back. Oh, and I didn't say that either, but the small of the back also can be adjusted, because underneath, here we go again, you can just adjust it. Okay, and it's very easy to replace them. I will show you how to replace them. I will use the back to show you. You just slip it off, come over here, and just pull the other one off and pull it out, and it's out. There it is. Now, to put it back on, it's not difficult. Take one end, see the little notch there? Slip it on. Oops. Hope you could see that. Give it a twist, both directions. Then I use a very long crochet hook because I do a lot of these, whereas you can just use, one this size. I mean, I think you can get them for $1. And you just take the other end, and this is a crochet hook. You slide it inside here, and so you have it coming out the other end. And you put it over the end of the notch. Don't put it where you want it to adjust. You want to put it at the very end, and then after you've pulled it out, you can adjust it. And you take your finger and you put it in there and hold it up, because you don't want it to fall off when you start to pull. And you just slide it down. I turn it a little bit, and then it pulls it right out the other end. You grab a hold of it, and then you take it. And I usually put my thumb under the snap to kind of hold it in place. Slide it on, give it a twist, and it's done. If you have any questions, contact me, and I would be more than glad to help you.